Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how I do my nails from home. First thing we're going to do is get a towel. Just put it over your countertops and you're going to need a LED light. Also, what you're going to need is the AbPress kit. I'll make sure to link everything that I use in this video down below. So if you find anything that you like, you can go ahead and get it yourself. We're going to be using the AbPress light that comes in the kit. Now, the kit doesn't tell you to do this, but if you're doing this by yourself, I highly recommend you do this. So what you're going to do is you're going to plug it into your outlet, and then you're going to tape it on your LED light, and I will tell you why once we get into that process. It will make curing your nails a lot easier. Now for the gel nail tips, I'm going to be using this square natural medium and using this file grit, and what I'm going to do is just basically file down the nails, roughen them up, because it will attach to your natural nail a lot better if you do so. Also, make sure that you lay out the order of the nail size so that way when you're gluing them, it makes them a lot easier to attach. Next thing, what we're going to do is I like to use a nail buffer, or you can use a nail file, and I just file down my nails a little bit, reduce any sort of oil or shine that my natural nail has. Now, after we finish that, we're going to go in with step one, which is the pH bonder. And one thing that you'll notice about this kit is it labels everything from what steps that you have to do. So you're going to first put the bonder. Next, you're going to go in with the primer and apply that all over your nails. Next, you're going to get the extend gel, and that's going to be your first step, is putting a small thin base layer on your natural nail, and then you're going to cure it for 30 seconds. This part is the tricky part. You're going to take your first gel form and you're going to apply a thin coat of where you filed, and you're going to press it against your nail, making sure that there's no air bubbles and that the gel basically fills up your whole nail. And this is why I recommended taping the small little light against the big light. It's because it makes it a lot easier to press on the nail and to throw it under the light. Had you had not done this, you would have had to somehow manage to hold the nail and the light at the same time, and it makes it really hard to do if you're doing this on yourself especially. Now, once you have all your nails adhered to your natural nail bed, you're going to take some nail clippers if you'd like. Maybe you like the length of the nails already. I like mine just a little bit shorter. I'm just going to go ahead and file down my nails. I am using the file that came in with my AbPress kit and just getting them ready for the next step. And I recommend doing this if you want your nails a little thicker. It's from the gel bottle. I am using the rubber base coat and the clear rubber base top coat. And then once you do that, after they've all cured, you're going to file them down, buff them out, and make it all smooth and ready to go for polish. And like I said, guys, it's all based on preference. I do go back in with the file and just file back my nails, make sure that they're smooth and ready for polish. For the polish color, I'm going in with the color Blue Wave. It is from the gel bottle. It is this beautiful lilac purple. And I'm going to do 3 thin coats. Thin coats are everything, you guys. If you want to avoid peeling and any air bubbles, I recommend doing 3 small coats, and I cure them all for 60 seconds on the LED light. Now I'm just going in with a top coat from A-Press and finishing up this manicure with some cuticle oil. I don't recommend this one. It smells awful, but it's the only one that I had in my house. And here is the final product. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Bye!